This ETF pays me every single month. Not every 3 months like my SCHD. Every month, a check lands in my account. And 4 months ago, it paid me 37 cents. This month, $11.76. Let me show you exactly how, honestly. Welcome back to the journey. If you're new, I started investing at 32, no plan, nobody to explain it to me. Now I'm building it in public, with my own money, small and honest. If that's the version you want, stick around. So here's where this fits. You've seen my QQQI, the 14% monster. You've seen my boring, steady SCHD. This is the third piece of my dividend trilogy, JEPQ. JP Morgan's monthly income ETF, paying around 10%. And here's the honest part most people skip. QQQI and JEPQ are both high yield, but they are not the same thing. QQQI uses one kind of covered call strategy. JEPQ does it through something called equity-linked notes, basically JP Morgan packaging the options income a different way. I hold both on purpose because I don't want all my income riding on one single method. Now the real numbers from my actual account, not theory. Watch this grow. April, 37 cents. May, $4.59. June, $6.60. This month, July, $11.76 in 4 months. And I'll be honest, that's not magic. And it's not because the yield exploded. It's because I kept buying shares. I went from under 1 share to over 18. More shares, more monthly income. Same honest truth every time. And here's the detail nobody shows you. The payout per share actually bounces around. 55 cents, then 59, then 56, and this month about 63. It's not a fixed paycheck. Some months a little more, some a little less. This month happened to be higher. I'd rather you know that than think this is some guaranteed flat number. It's not. So here's the honest trade-off with JEPQ, and I want to be straight about it. This kind of fund gives you that big monthly income, but it gives up some growth to do it. Over the last 5 years, plain old QQQ actually beat JEPQ by about 30% on total return. You're trading some of that growth for cash in your hand every month. That's not bad, it's just a choice. And it's exactly why JEPQ is not my whole strategy. Because here's the thing, I'm not only a dividend investor. I have two targets, not one. Target one is income. $100 a month in dividends, and JEPQ is a big piece of that now. But target two is growth, building my whole portfolio to $15,000 and beyond. And that comes from my growth ETFs, not from income funds like this one. JEPQ pays me monthly, but it's the income engine, not the growth engine. A real portfolio needs both, and I'm building both, honestly, in public, in real time. So here's where I need you. This is a journey, and it only makes sense if you see it in order. My next video, I'll add up everything. Every dividend, the full monthly picture, where I really stand against that $100 goal. If you want to watch this actually grow in real time, subscribe and hit the bell. Because with a small channel like mine, that bell is the only way YouTube reliably shows you the next one. You don't want to start a journey and miss the next chapter. Go watch my QQQI video to see the 14% payer and my SCHD video for the steady one. The trilogy's right there. And tell me below, team monthly income like JEPQ, team quarterly growth like SCHD, or do you want both like me? This is Grow and Explore with me. No hype, no fear, just the honest climb. Grow and explore with me.